This is what I mean when I say that I love cooking. I made this bread. Yep, that's right. I made it 100% from scratch. I made this mayonnaise 100% from scratch. There's a little bit of mustard in here. I made that mustard. Yep, you guessed it, 100% from scratch. This is what I mean when I say that I love cooking. I love to actually make things. I don't love to put things together. This, yep, made that. I mean, it's only chicken, but still, I marinated it all day long with some spices, a little bit of turmeric, and it came out absolutely delicious after I hit it in a frying pan. This is cooking, my friends. This is what I love to do. I love to make things. Sauerkraut is in this. I made that sauerkraut myself. It took a month to make the sauerkraut. There's some finely shredded carrots in here. I put some of that same dressing that I was putting on the bun right on here. So this is that mayonnaise mustard mixture. And this is what I mean when I mean that I like to cook. This sandwich is 100% homemade. I didn't buy shit and slap it together. I made everything on this fucking sandwich. This is cooking, my friends. Normally, restaurants just make you reheat shit, and that's why I get sick of them. But this is cooking, my friends. 100% from scratch cooking.